Hello, viewers. This summer, I went to Korea for almost a month, and I've made more than 30 videos about that experience, focusing on traditional Korean alcohol. So I want to share with you today the summary of the kinds of things I found, the overview, and there will be links in the description for playlists and so on. I don't want you to miss out on anything. That's why I want to summarize things here, because more than 30 videos, I had to publish them more than once a week. And hopefully I mentioned something that you're interested in. So these are all videos that I've already published. I don't want you to miss out on any of them. So here are the categories. This was all about documenting my experiences. And some of the best experiences were going to a Jumak and going to the Sool gallery, getting an idea of traditional Korean alcohol, where better to do it than at those kinds of places. I also got to see real breweries and workshops. I saw the Suspicious Fermentation Room. I saw the Seamakli Brewery, the Mark Holy Water Brewery. I saw John Frankel's workshop. So it's great to see the setups that these brewers have. And I hope you're interested in that too. I also really enjoyed finding bottle shops with such a good selection of Korean alcohol. That was definitely a highlight, seeing those. Another big highlight was going to the Seoul International Wine and Spirits Expo. I got to interview brewers. That was fantastic. I'm sure you'll find something interesting there too. I also got to talk with Dr. Lee and Professor Park of the Korea Sool Institute. And of course, a large part of my trip was simply drinking, tasting and reviewing bottles of makgeolli and yakju, changju. So delicious, so many things to experience. So I hope my tasting videos give you an idea of what to purchase if you're in Korea. So I'm very grateful to many people for helping me out during this trip. So I want to mention some of them now. I want to thank Mira, Brett, Han, Youngun, Sari, Julia, Holly, Brian and John, Jaewon, Dr. Lee, Professor Park, and Professor John Frankel. Thank you for your help, your advice, and your interviews. You really made my trip special. So what's coming up next? Well, I'm going to be brewing. I'm going to be brewing with all the different varieties of Nuruk that I brought back from Korea, plus a very special Nuruk from Finland. So stay tuned for that. That'll be exciting and fun. A lot of brewing with new Nuruk coming your way. Another upcoming video will be about ABV calculations by these professional brewers. So I'll go over some of the procedures that they go through to calculate ABV accurately. So please go back and check out any of those trip videos you might have missed that you're interested in, and stay tuned for the regular schedule of brewing. Every week there's a new video on the subject of rustic Asian rice wine, of course. And I hope to see you then. Thanks for watching.